Before I met you, I never knew what it was like to be able to look at someone and smile for no reason.
Looking forward to having her sitting by my side at the Morrigi beach. That's probably the moment that I'm most excited about. It's a good feeling. There's been quite a few opportunities we could have met. You know, so many people where we've had like that kind of distance kept between us. That's down to God really. The time's right and He brought us together.
I've always been a very strong person, but I don't know, for some reason, for Sonia, in front of her, I'm quite strong. But I feel really, really emotional. Almost I want to cry. I wish she wasn't going anywhere.
Family is a circle of strength and love. With every birth and union, the circle grows. You never truly know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. Treasure every moment in life, because there is no way of turning back time. You are my friend, my companion, and my life. You are the reason my life feels so right.